Hello everyone, I'm Sylvester, a teacher here in UAE. I just want to thank you for the positive feedback on the video Bitmoji tutorial. So today I'll be sharing to you another video tutorial using Nearpod. So let's start. Okay, so there are two ways in how could we use Nearpod. First one is by going to Google Slides. Okay, so I'll be opening a Google Slide, a blank presentation, or if you have an existing slides already or presentation, you could use that also if you just want to if you just want to add an activity. Okay, here this is my blank presentation and I'll be clicking on add-ons. This one, can you see this? Add-ons, and I have already here Nearpod. Just in case you don't have yet Nearpod on your add-ons, just go to get add-ons and search for Nearpod. Okay, so since I have already, I'll be using Nearpod and open Nearpod. Now it's working. So let's wait for our Nearpod, and then Nearpod will be asking for our Gmail account or email since I have already logged in a while ago, so no need, right? So in here you can see there are a lot of activities. You can insert video or audio, collaborate like a sticky note. I'll be discussing this one later. Draw it, filter it, fill in the blanks. So many activities or web content that you can create and integrate in your Google Slides. Okay, so next, and then if for example you are going to integrate um, a video or whatever, or a quiz maybe, then always save and go to Nearpod. Okay, after doing it. Now I'll be showing you another way of using Nearpod by simply going to nearpod.com. Okay, here you go. So this is nearpod.com. So this is my account. I'm a silver user. It's a free account. Okay, I have my library here, so you can see here below the things, my slides or the activities that I've used already using Nearpod in my lessons. So here are they. Okay, now let's go to Nearpod lesson library. Yeah, let's explore this one. So you can choose so many here. Okay, you have subjects: English, math, science, social studies, technology and computer, and others. And grade levels also are here. Resource type are here. So this is very helpful for us teachers, especially now that we're doing online classes. Okay, so that we'll not be thinking of so many things. Okay, because it's already here. But in a, just in case you want to have your own, then just click here. You're going to create your own Nearpod. Create lesson in Nearpod, or you have two options, or lesson in Google Slides. So either. Okay, so I will click lesson in Nearpod. Let's wait for it. And there. So you can have your title here. For example, I will put here computing. Okay, as my title. And it will be automatically saved. Okay, you have your settings here. You can click on settings if you want to manage your settings. Also, you put it at a short, you can put a short description, the grade level of the subject. So I'll just skip it. Click add slide. So we have the three features here. We have the add content, add web content, and add activity. So you have a lot of choices to choose from. Let's have first add content. What's in here? You can find here slide, Nearpod 3D, simulation, field trip, BBC video, Sway, slideshow, video, audio, PDF viewer, and Twitter live stream. Okay, so you have a lot of to choose from. Okay, I haven't tried others yet, but I already tried field trip. Okay, so we can click on field trip if for example you want to go to other when you are teaching maybe geography or social studies. It's very good, and also other subjects. Okay, let's say Boracay, for example, I'll put here Boracay. So if it's your first time or you did not, you're not familiar with the place and you want to study the place, you can click on the place here on the search box. And okay, let's say for example here I'll click this one, Crystal Cove entrance in Boracay. Let's have a preview. And There you go. So this is the preview. You can navigate actually this. You can see the 360 using 360 degrees of the place. You can see it here. See, Boracay. Or you can enter VR if you have a VR eyeglasses. But if you don't have, you can just exit and just navigate it using your mouse. Okay, I'll go back. Next is, we'll close this one. Next is we can have, let's try this one, Nearpod 3D. This is good for, yeah, science, human body environment, or more on science. But you have other categories if you just search it here. So let's say, for example, you are studying the Earth. Let's preview the Earth. You're studying Earth. So it's like field trip also. You can navigate it using your mouse. See, it's nice. I like this one here. Animal cell. Preview. And there, you can add this in your slide. See, it's very interactive, right? Let's go back. Let's try another one. Let's close this. Last one for Adverb Content. Let's try simulation. Okay, you have your simulation here, so it will be more engaging and interactive for the students studying math and science. They will understand more. Okay, let's talk. Let's work smart teachers. Let's not waste our saliva. This is a very helpful tool for all of us since you are now in an online learning. Okay, so let's start for this one, the energy skate part basics. So you can let the students or engage your students by doing like this. Right? So they're enjoying while learning. It's very nice. Okay, I'll go back. Let's close. Let's explore other features. Next is we have the Adverb Content. For this feature, you can copy the URL, the website address of the website that you want the students to view. You can paste it here and then save. Okay, as simple as that. And last one is the add activity. Okay, we have a lot of choices also. Personally, I already use time to climb. It's like a Kahoot, quiz, and collaborate. Okay, for collaborate, okay, for example, you want your kids or your students to brainstorm and answer they could answer by using collaborate board. Okay, so you have, it's like a sticky note. They're going to use a sticky note. Okay, so I will choose this, enter the topic or the question, and then click save. Okay, and the students now will answer using this collaborate. So you can see all the responses or all their answers in your board. All right, I will cancel this one. Next is we have, okay, let's go back to add slide, add activity, and you have your quiz. Okay, I already created a quiz also. I don't know if I could insert a sample quiz here in this video, but I'll try. Okay, you could have, for example, after your lesson, you can have a 5-point quiz just to assess the understanding of your students. It could be also by using this quiz in Nearpod. Okay, cancel. And one of my favorite is, let's add slide, add activity. This is one of my favorites here. Time to climb. Okay, it's like a Kahoot wherein the students are climbing a hill or a mountain. Okay, so it's a race. Okay, you can see the students racing. So every time they will get the correct answer and they are fast in answering it, they will climb. But if you are not that fast, and the students will left behind of the race. So I hope I could show you an example here in this video. Okay, I'll try to insert. Okay, so these are some of the features of the content or activity that you can do using Nearpod. Okay, you can explore more. There are a lot: open-ended questions, matching pairs, simply matching type, flip grid for reading. Okay, you have your draw it if you want your students to draw their answer, your poll, it's like a survey, fill in the blanks, memory test, and so on and so forth. So once you're done, do not forget to save and exit. Okay, because this will be your lesson. Again, you can use this Nearpod also in Google Slides. Okay, you can also use Nearpod in Google Slides. Okay. Okay, after saving, first you need to exit. So you go to home, your library, and then it's time to share now. So there are two ways on how to share your lesson. So you have your live lesson during your live classes or online classes and a student base. Okay, you can share the link or this presentation to your student and they will just go on their own. Okay. Um, so for example, we're going to share this now. I'm going to open this. So for example, live lesson. Okay. This is a time to climb. Example of time to climb. It's like a Kahoot. You have your options. You can send it to their email, social, link, Google Classroom, Remind, or Microsoft Teams. So I normally copy the link and paste it in there or send it direct to the Google Classroom. So and you can also send the code to them. This code. All right, so as simple as that, you can share your lesson from Google Slides and Nearpod. So that's it. If you like this video, please do click subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you'll be notified in my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you very much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Thank you, bye.